Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "She refused to accept she's fired, instantly regrets it."
He has to fire me. He just fired me. I left out.
We gave you multiple times.
I left out. You can't fire me from Jimmy John's.
On July 29, 2025, a woman was informed her employment had been terminated, but she wasn't willing to walk away quietly. As tension escalated, officers were called to restore order, but what seemed to follow was an unexpected encounter.
Man, you're not free to go. All right, Paul 3, she's headed westbound through the GMC dealer on foot.
Hey, I was going to be advised to know the pursuit here. She's running going west behind the parking lot. Alright, she's running.
Ma'am, stop. Ma'am, stop.
342.
Look, you need to stop right now. Stop.
Leave me alone.
Alright, Billy's parking lot. Billy's parking lot. We have her stop right now.
I'm not going
You already detained.
I didn't
Sit
go.
down on the ground.
Why are you doing that?
Sit down on the ground right now. Put the drinks down. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
No, what did I do?
You're under arrest. Jeez. I got it. Okay, good for that.
And you threw that stuff at the cops? You're cooked.
Calm down. Calm down, ma'am. Calm down. Relax. Calm down. We told you to
What's your
stay.
traffic?
What are you talking about?
Stand by. We're still doing this right now. Get another unit here. Stop. No. Do that.
6.
Okay, sit down. Lay down. This way. All right. Can you stop? Can you stop? Do not move.
12, 6, he's heading that way.
You all right? Okay.
10-4.
Let's get up. Come on. Now, you're on arrest. We told you. You're on arrest. Stand up. You need to stand up. Drop the cuffs. Because you spilled a bottle of water on the officer?
No, I was running. It dropped.
We told you stop.
Why are you arresting me?
You threw a warning right in my face.
No, I was running. I was running from him. I didn't throw it in your face. Why are you arresting me?
Female test.
Why are you arresting me?
Stop yelling.
What is your right? What is your right?
Stop yelling. Calm down.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What are you doing, motherfucker?
Let's go. Calm down. We told you to stop running. Why did you run from us?
Because I don't know you.
But
And
come
a lot
and
of
stop us.
officers
We're the
are
police.
attacking me.
You saw me coming. Calm down.
Did you cut the air on?
It's on.
It's not.
Well, first of all, it was trespass. Then obstructing.
You trespassing what?
You went back to Jimmy John.
Cause he just fired me. He gotta fire me.
Listen. Oh, I'm just telling you what's going on. You went back to Jimmy John.
He has to fire me. He just fired me. I left out.
We gave you multiple times.
I left out. You can't fire me from Jimmy John's.
Well, you just also battered the officer.
Well, let's talk to the judge about it.
We're gonna go back to the station. We're gonna talk about this.
Okay.
All right.
Can you cut the air conditioner? I'm really hot. I'm homeless. I'm trying to fight my way. That's why I'm so emotional. Because I've been trying to work my ass off to get out of this shit. I'm hot.
Alright, 10-4, 6, I'll be heading now. 6, happy.
You know, it's crazy. What's really crazy is that they just threw her in the back with the bag. Like, really? You guys aren't gonna take her bag? At least check the bag. You know, and then I blame the first officer for when he first caught up with her. Why is he not putting her in cuffs right then and there? You know what I'm saying? Right then and there, she should have been in cuffs, because the second chase would have never happened. Unless maybe he was waiting for backup to come or whatever. But come on, man. She's a female. You a guy, man. You supposed to be it. Stop moving. She keeps walking or whatever, man. Grab her ass. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Cuff her up. Let's go. But yeah, if you're not going to do a proper pat frisk, I understand that, because you're a male, she's a woman. But you're supposed to at least take the purse, man. That's crazy. You don't know what she got back there.
Rose, right, Rose? You know, all this could be avoided if you just stop for it.
No, why? I don't want to. People, police officers keep harassing me. These Mexicans, these immigrants, they hit me. They tried to hit me multiple times in this location. When I call the police, no report happened. But when I didn't even do anything.
Rose,
they tried to hit me multiple times.
Listen to me.
Jeez.
We warned you multiple times since last night, right?
No, you can't fire me.
We didn't fire you.
You okay, but they gotta tell me.
Yeah, well,
they gotta text me. They can text, call, because I actually got an internet and I'm on a group chat with them. So I wouldn't be able to get it.
Listen, we were just gonna give you the ticket for trespass, but you obviously didn't want to stay or listen to the police officer's command. You began to run from us. So we have to give chase on that. That's why you're here. Okay? That's why you're here.
But when people attack me, when people keep trying to hit me, it's okay. No police. I got receipts.
Okay. I'm just explaining to you why you're arrested, because you resisted.
And multiple documents. Okay. So how long you finna try to put me in hold as hell? When is my court date?
I will give you everything once we get back to the station, Rose.
Is you gonna drop me back off because I'm homeless?
I know you are. So what's your plan today after this?
I'm trying to get a job at Shell's.
Alright, just chill. We'll get this done. I gave you the court dates once we get back.
Are you gonna give me some food too, since you messing with the homeless?
I can't hear. What you say?
Are you gonna give me some food too, since I knocked over my noodles?
You're gonna be released. You're not gonna stay with us. I'm gonna release you.
I said, are you gonna drop me off from, because you hassled me, so are you gonna drop me off for where you found me?
Drop you off where?
Where you found me.
Maybe. It depends on my supervisor. Are you gonna go back to Jimmy John's if I drop you off?
No.
Okay. Then most likely I will.
Okay. And you're not even gonna buy me no food after you just made me drop my last bit of crumb, knowing I don't even got a job.
Her escape plan didn't just fail, it guaranteed the arrest. Instead of walking away with a warning, the situation spiraled fast. Was it panic or poor judgment? Let me know what you think.
Come on, man. Y'all just supposed to, yeah, man, come on. Come on, y'all. Y'all just supposed to say what she was charged with. That's it. Come on, y'all doing all that extra stuff at the end. But anyways, man. Crazy, man. Crazy situation. No accountability. It's always somebody else's fault, but you going back to the place that you're not supposed to go to. Come on, man. Now you want them to buy you food, and come on. It's crazy. After you just threw water on me, you want me to buy you food. Okay. Yeah, all right. Anyway, I think the cops, they did okay. 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.